this Eater Computer, and today this is my first time ever being on Lifeboat survival game play server. It's my first time to make it work, and I'm happy. Hey Steve, hi Steve, hey Steve, hey Steve. Wait, roll call! Steve, here! Steve, here! Steve, here! Steve, here! Steve, here! Steve, here! Water. What do we do? Yeah, you tap your sides and stuff. Okay, I'm going in here. Whee! The join portal disabled. Oh, now I'm burning. Yeah! So, where do I want to go? Solar Frost. Solar Frost. Yeah. And to fix this stuff, I'm going to think this works. View distance, the top to bottom. Ooh. Hello. Hi, guys. Hi. Hey, guys. Hi. Hi. Hey, why do you have a diamond axe? This is not fair. I want to be a VIP. But I'm not paying. 2 minutes. 2 minutes. 2 minutes. 2 minutes. X to go up rocks. Hola. Hi. I am a YouTuber. Yay. Hello. Hi, people. Hi. Turn will start in a minute, 30 seconds. Yay. Same here. What's your channel name? Who's talking? What's your channel name? My name is Kellen Bowman. My name is Nut. Nah, whatever. My name is Eater Computer. Yeah. Try capture the flag. I'm gonna do that next someday or something. I don't know. Wee! Who wants to team up? Me! 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 I need a chest. 30 seconds. Yeah. Hey dudes, hi. Hello. Hello. Hello, the X GoPro X the Milky Way. Oh, hi Steve. Steve. There's a lot of Steves. Did you know that, Steve? Steve. Hey Steve, hi Steve, hi. Okay. So shout out for the X GoPro, the Milky Way, Hippie. The tournament has started. What? I'm running. You have 30 seconds of invincibility. I'm going with the Heroster. Team, okay? Please? Please. Oh, wrong way. What are you doing to me? Don't touch me. I want to do this for real. I want this to be... I'm no longer invincible. No! You have a stone sword! Yeah. No! Don't kill me! Thank you. I hate this. I'll play another game. Okay, this time I'm going to be ready. This time I'm going to be ready. Move, you ugly Steve. Join. Yeah, Howling Mountains. And options. Graphics up, down. Hey guys. Where are the... Oh, there. Registered in trademark of Hydrogen Cooperation. Yeah. Oh. Hi, Hydro. Hi, hero sister. Right. Hi, hero sister. Hi. Hi. Awesome. Comes back. Ching. 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 I love the sound of ching. Come on, I want to play. I want to play. I want to play survival games. Want to play survival games? Want to play survival games? Let's get out of here. 1 minute left. No teams. Yes, teams. Yes. My speed typing. Speed turbo type. Yes, team again. Diamonds for dummies. Help me, I'm stuck. I don't care. I don't care. I don't air R. Minecraft Halloween ad before it shows up in the morning. Minecraft Halloween ad before it shows up in morning. 2, 1, go! I got leather armor. That's great. "15 seconds of invincibility left. And they're putting on my leather. I'm running. Please. I'm no longer invincible and I'm scared. Okay, don't go that way. That's what I know. Oh, kill. I want to kill. Actually, somebody was killed. At least nobody's VIPs. VIPs are all super powerful. It's not fair. It's not fair. It's like Mineplex. Mineplex is always fair. Hi. Die, you stupid mischievous. Die. Yeah. Uh-oh, now he's mad at me. Deathmatch starting in 7 minutes. No, please, no. I'm on top of this mountain and no one can get me, but I kind of want chests because all I have is nothing and I'm gonna get totally owned in the deathmatch and you know, everything like that. Let's keep on going, keep on trucking. I want this to be a good game. GG. Well, GG, yeah, it's a GG. Internet GG. I don't know why I said internet. Oh no. You're not nice! No! It would be funny if I kill him. No! Don't you dare kill me. No! Okay. I lost again. And Pocket Edition crashed. And now we all know what kind of apps I have. Thank you guys for watching this video on survival games. Goodbye!